All right, if you went through all the hard work of making different stuff last year for your students, you shouldn't have to go through all of that again. And if you didn't happen to save your stuff to resources, there is still a way for you to go back and find your stuff from last year. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. So when you log into Schoology, you see probably all of your new courses for this year at this point. You come up and hit My Courses. Okay, and then from here, you'll see that Current is there, but you want to click on Archived. Okay, and then after you click on that, every single course that you have had on Schoology for however many years we've had Schoology now, which I think is 5, will be there. So you just go and you click on whatever course it is that you're wanting to use. I'm just going to click on this one. Okay, and then you go wherever the resource you want is. Let's say I want to copy over this whole folder, and then you just come over here to this little gear, hit Copy to Courses, and then now your new courses will pop up, and then just click the box. And if you have a folder in there you want to put it into, you can click on the folder. If you don't want to put it into a folder, you just hit Copy Folder right there, and then it will transfer it over to your new course for you.